Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on the application of TikTok. We go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about TikTok and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.